Okay, it's the early part of May. And if you remember, I was trying to winter over some tomatoes here. And about November, December, these were looking very good still. But they didn't last. As you can see here, these tomatoes are dead. You can see the stems. There's not a sign of life. There's nothing green there. Nothing at all. And there's 4 of them there. But now on the other hand, look over here, and these are coming back to life. As you can see, there is some green here on this one. And this one too, it's greening up and coming up. So these did winter over, and they are growing. I'm not sure how well they'll grow, but they sure look like they're trying. And what I'm kind of wondering is what's the difference between these and these? It never got below 39 degrees in here, and most of the time it averaged about 45, I think. And on a nice warm day it got up to 70, something like that in the wintertime. And the only thing I can think of as to why these survived and these didn't is because the heater is right there. Perhaps some of the heat was close enough to this that at night it helped it. But that's only a theory, and I can't really be sure of that, but perhaps. So, I'm going to trim these a little bit, get all the dead stuff off of it, and we'll see how they do. Okay, so there's these same tomato plants that I've cleaned up and trimmed up a little bit now. And they do look like they're coming back. As you can see, there's a lot of fresh leaves. And we'll see what happens. 2 of them. There's one here. And there's a branch coming off here. And this looks like it's alive, but I guess we'll see. There's the other plant. And if you can see this, there's leaves on this one. It looks like it wants to try and make it. So we'll see how these go.